Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to play Android games on your PC. The first thing you will need to do is open your browser and type play.google.com and press the enter, which is the official web page for Google Play Store. You can see a lot of things, games, apps, movies, and kids. If you are not signed in Google Play Store, then sign in by clicking the sign in button which is in top right corner. As you can see, I am already signed in. After that, you have to Bluestack software to run Android versions. So open the Bluestack. Here you can see the Google Play Store. Click on it. After that, click sign in. After that, type your email. Tap on next. Here you need to provide your password. Click on next. Click on I agree and click on accept. Now with the help of Bluestack software, if you want to install games, just click the game you want to install. After that, tap on play. After this process, you can play Android games on your PC. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel and see you guys in next video. Thank you.